The Arb Simpson rooftop tent with annex from Australia is full of rooftop tent with annex features for the everyday person who loves rooftop tent with annex camping. From Australia, the Arb rooftop tent with annex from Australia is perfect for the modern family from Australia. Feel the nostalgia of the homeland being Australia with this Arb Simpson rooftop tent. With annex, get away from me, wallabies, wombats, and roos. I am out of reach up high in my Arb Simpson rooftop tent with annex from Australia. You will be amazed with all of these rooftop tent with annex features as you while away the day and night camping at any campsite and or your driveway or even the front yard of your ex-wife just out of spite. Why are women so difficult? I hate my life. Here's another shot of happy friends camping with the Arb Simpson rooftop tent with annex from Australia. You could be them. Finally happy, and all you need to do is experience rooftop tent camping with style as it was intended to be. All of this can be yours. What are you waiting for? Imagine beautiful trees pass you by as you enjoy the summer. No, the winter. Yes, it's great for winter. It even works on lesbians. Here's a super fit man climbing some rocks. This could be you. Active with one or more girlfriends that do not know about each other. All you need is to get off the couch and buy a rooftop tent, specifically the Simpson rooftop tent with annex from Australia. Stop wasting your life. Rooftop tent camping made easy with this Arb Simpson rooftop tent with annex from Australia. G-Day, mate.